guys, how are you? And hope you are doing well and have a good weekend. So, today we are going to start a new beginning and a new way of playing. So, I will give you in each match three possibilities and you will choose one of them. We will push the button on one, but I will give you two other options if you want to play the risky one and the safer one. Risky one and safe one, okay? For example, let's start the first match. It's Bayer Leverkusen versus Holstein. So you can play first half Bayer Leverkusen will the match. This is a risky one, or total is over 2.5 goals is safer one, and the medium one is Bayer Leverkusen will score over 2 goals. Okay, the second one is Bochum versus Wolfsburg. You can play it like this. Either Wolfsburg will win the match definitely, or they will play a double chance, either win or draw, or the third one is this. Where is it? The yellow cards. Where is it? Yellow cards. I think it contains or it have a specific section here. Yes, it's here. Yellow cards. Wolfsburg will have over 1.5 yellow cards, which means at least two players will have two yellow cards. The third match is Werder Bremen versus Freiburg. This match is gonna be like this. Either Werder Bremen will win or draw a match, or they definitely win. Sorry. I am sorry. Werder Bremen will win the match, or you can play Freiburg will score at least one goal. Okay. The first match is in Spanish League, La Liga. Espanyol versus Mallorca. The first match is gonna be double chance. Either the first or the second team will win. The other possibility is Mallorca will score over 1 goals, or first half it will have over 0.5 goals. The other match is Getafe versus Osasuna. This match is gonna be like this. Either first team will win or the second teams. Both teams to score, yes, or Osasuna will score over 1 goal. Okay, the other match is Real Madrid versus Villarreal. Real Madrid will definitely win the match, or Real Madrid will score over 2.5 goals, or you choose the safest one. Is this total of goals in this match is over 2.5 goals. Okay, we'll move to the French League. Saint-Étienne versus Auxerre. This match is gonna be like this. Saint-Étienne will either win or draw, or total of goals will be over 1.5 goals, or Auxerre will score over 0.5 goals. Lille versus Toulouse. Lille will win the match with no other possibilities, because the other possibilities are very low. For example, double chance, it's only 1.2, or Lille will score over 1 goal. It contains only 1.25 odds. So the third one is the ninth match is Stade Rennais versus AS Monaco. AS Monaco will win the match, or double chance, either Monaco will win or draw the match, or Monaco will score over 1 goal. Please, if you play these matches, win $150, you will get a lot of money, but please play wisely and separately. Don't ever play all these matches in one ticket because it's almost possible to be won. You have to separate each ticket individually, okay, alone with no other matches. So if you play to win $150, you will get at least $25, okay? So take care of yourselves and see you later, and thank you.